Hey, this is Justin with Intermountain Wind and Solar. We have a program called a Solar Open House, and what that is it's an opportunity for you to invite your friends, your family, your neighbors, coworkers, anybody that you think might be interested in learning more about solar and what it can do for them, to your house to show them your system, show them your monitoring, show them your new zeroed out power bills, and hopefully answer some questions. Now, we've learned that there's a lot of common misconceptions out there, a lot of common questions that are not being answered effectively in the industry. So this is an opportunity for you to take those that are close to you and bring them over to your house, answer some questions, show them your system, show them the details, and we'll obviously have a representative there to answer any questions that you may not have answers to. So what we would like to do is invite you to invite your friends over, family, neighbors, coworkers, maybe have some refreshments if you'd like, and just create an opportunity for us to mingle and answer some of those questions, and obviously hang out. Now, what we'll do, hopefully to help you, encourage you to do that, if any leads or anybody signs up for a solar system through this program, we'll give you $200 per lead that signs up for a solar system. Now, in addition to that, we have a program where you can get 30% off. It's like 20 to 30% off Goal Zero products. So we would get you basically whatever size order you want, as many Goal Zero products as you want, we would get you that discount as a thank you for putting this on and helping us get the word out about solar. Now, the other thing is people that sign up through one of your open houses or an open house that they come to, we will throw in a free solar powered attic fan to help cool off their attic in the summer months. Now, that's something that we do for them to encourage them to sign up for a solar system. So anyway, one of the biggest things you can do now that you have solar in your house is to spread the word and invite other people to learn more about it and to see if it's something that makes sense for them. We appreciate you getting the word out and creating an atmosphere or a scenario where we can answer those questions and clear up a lot of those common misconceptions and obviously encourage people to go solar. So if you're interested in holding an open house to show your system off, contact us, either give us a call, ask for Justin, or email us at justin@imwindandsolar.com, or obviously reach out to your sales representative that helped you out with your system and coordinate it through there. Basically what we'll do is we'll figure out a date that works for you. We'll facilitate anything you need. If you need us to write some maybe some pieces that you can send in the email, some door hangers you want to put out, however you want to invite people, we can help facilitate that. We'll also help you maybe post it on social media to invite people over to your open house. Whatever we can do to facilitate you getting as many people to that open house as possible. So anyway, if you have questions, let us know. Reach out to us if you're interested in holding an open house.